Hello, welcome to our Lean meetings. My name is Arek Zbyszkowski, and today I'm going to tell about balancing of the process in the perspective of the full stream value. The stream value is the sequence of activities in the process, the value-added activities, non-value-added activities, everything from the start to the end, from materials at the entrance to the ready product at the exit. It refers also to services. The value stream mapping is the tool which you can see here, which shows you the current state map of the process. It shows you the logic, the inventory between the operations, it shows you how the material flows, it shows you how the information is exchanged, what is the lead time, and what is the value added. A lot of crucial information in one place. We later make measurements, we also put it here. Generally, we'll not talk about the details here, but I would like to tell you that generally whenever you do this kind of mapping first time, the situation always looks bad. There are a lot of problems, material is not flowing properly, and in this moment, please don't blame people, don't blame managers, don't blame operators, just people in the process. It's not their fault. We are doing that just to understand the logic and to focus on process and to improve it. It's very crucial. And what would happen if we improve something locally? Then we would even succeed, but the positive effect that we would have here wouldn't have any big impact on the full process as a whole. So the lead time probably wouldn't be shorter. So the money would be frozen in the company like it is here for several days. And when we have the value stream mapping, the full process in our mind, then our perception is different. Then we're trying to find the loops, so-called loops. Within the loop, for example, the technology is similar, cycle times are similar, so we are able to make improvements within these groups, within these loops, and later we synchronize the loops so as to have the flow, the much better organization of the process with the lead time shorter. And our limit for balancing the process as a whole is the takt time. Takt time is defined by the client. This is net time per day we have divided by daily order. So we have a monthly order, we divide it by the working days, and then we get this order per day. And net time is, for example, 9 hours minus 1 per lunch, recalculated into seconds, and then we get the takt time of seconds per piece. Cycle time is usually also represented by seconds, so per piece, so this data match. Okay, and the concept of balancing. When we have our loop measured, for example, we have some operators and the cycle time is almost similar, however different, then the next step is just we want to get rid of the waste, eliminate waste from this process, and after doing so we can reorganize the process and we can have situation like that. For example, we need to add fourth operator to have a smooth flow under the takt time, or we can have situation like that, but then we need to reorganize the process technically properly, some investment. And please keep in mind that Lean is not about big investment, but about small improvements which helps you to have flow. And of course we also can have situation like that. Then we add these two activities, we combine these two activities and one operator for them. However, we need to keep in mind that we have this takt time limit. Without this takt time, you would be happy because we had two operators, you would have two operators, but with 17 seconds, you will be almost twice slower than the client expects that. So with this limit, we can have situation like that, but we need to double the working place like that. Then we are on time. So it's really crucial to keep in mind the takt time and the full logic of the full stream value in the process. And I would like to remind you that whenever you optimize some process, please don't fire people, because they will not trust you, they will not cooperate with you. Lean is 4 people. It's better to reallocate them to another processes or to promote them to the role of process improver. Then we have a win-win situation. Everyone is happy and the results of the company are also higher. So better. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope it was helpful. I would like to invite you to our next lead meeting. Goodbye.